If you like our video, click the subscribe button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses and training materials, visit us at teachucomp.com. To customize your company's billing and subscription settings, click the Settings button in the QuickBooks Online toolbar. Then click the Account and Settings link under the Your Company heading in the menu to open the Account and Settings window. Then click the Billing and Subscription Company Settings category link in the menu at the left side of the window to show the individual settings in that category to the right. Your company ID and payment method, if entered, appears at the top of the window. To change your billing information, click the pencil icon to the right of the current billing information to open an Edit Payment pane at the right side of the window. Here, enter your new billing information and then click the Save button to update it. Below that are subscription widgets. Current subscriptions are in color and inactive subscriptions are in black and white. You can click the widget links to manage the related plans or learn more about them. There are widgets for QuickBooks Online, its payroll service, the full service bookkeeping, online payments, and checks and supplies. Active subscription widgets contain links you can click to open a separate web page and change or view the related settings. These links include Upgrade Your Plan, Downgrade Your Plan, View Payment History, and Cancel Subscription. You can close these web pages when finished. To close the Account and Settings window, click the Done button in the lower right corner. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. Get ad-free courses at teachucomp.com.